Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In today's video, I will show you how to download an app on your Android phone. Whether you are new to Android or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Here's a quick overview of what we will cover. 1. Downloading apps using the Google Play Store. 2. Exploring alternative app stores. Let us dive in. Section 1. Downloading apps using the Google Play Store. The most common way to download apps on your Android phone is through the Google Play Store. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. Look for the Play Store icon. It is a colorful triangle on a white square. Tap to open it. Step 2. Search for the app. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap it. Type the name of the app you are looking for and hit the search icon. Step 3. Download and install. From the search results, tap the app you want to download. Make sure it is the official version by checking the developer's name and user reviews. Tap the green install button to start downloading. Once complete, the bottom will change to open, allowing you to start using the app immediately. And that is how you download apps from the Google Play Store. Now, what if the app you want isn't available on Google Play? Don't worry, there are alternative app stores where you can find apps. Here are a few popular options. Amazon App Store. Great for apps and games, often with discounts or freebies. Samsung Galaxy Store, pre-installed on Samsung devices with exclusive apps. F-Droid, a trusted source for open source apps. Steps for using alternative app stores. 1. If the store isn't already on your phone, download it from its official website. 2. Open the store, browse through the apps, and download what you need. These stores are great if you are looking for variety or specialized apps not available on the Play Store. And there you have it. Downloading apps on Android is super easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.